Hey Miley fam, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications so you'll be notified when I drop new content. It is Saturday and I just got off work. Not even gonna lie y'all, I am tired, but the day is just getting started. First stop, as you can see, is Walmart. Gotta grab me some oil for my car to get an oil change. And then we gotta handle a few other things, so go ahead and stick with me. We've got a full day ahead. Here I go again, y'all. Can't go in the store and just get exactly what I'm looking for. Gotta stop in the aisle looking for face stuff, see some cute little plants, and I always gotta be looking. But I did good. I didn't touch nothing extra. I was just eyeballing, y'all. I love to see these type of setups with beautiful flowers. Lets me know it's getting close to Mother's Day. And the spring, summer, you know, just to see the beautiful colors of the flowers and stuff like that. I love it. So first, mission accomplished. But before I handle this oil change, I have to go and swing by my parents' house. No matter how busy I get, I try to make time for them because that quality time is everything. You were sewing. Oh, they like that little egg thing.
It is an egg, but I don't have the bow on it yet.
These are so cute.
They're eggs, but they have a bow on it, and I don't have the bow.
Where the bow go at? On top?
Yeah. I need this thing to do it.
So, I want to know. Where did you go? I didn't show the whole basket. I just showed the eggs.
The baby basket?
Oh, you got the baby basket? The babies.
Yes.
Baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the
So I try to keep up on my car maintenance, you know, simple stuff, oil change, tire rotation. You gotta keep the maintenance up on your vehicles, guys. So that's what we're doing now. Just having a little snack. It usually doesn't take long to get an oil change, so we'll just hang out, relax, enjoy the music.
I just wanna see, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it, I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part.
And friend is always so thorough. He always makes sure that he check all the other fluids, especially that windshield wiper fluid.
But I want you.
Some of your brown shoes. Let me tell you about this girl. Maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown. See, we been making love constantly.
So while that's cooking, we are going to attempt to multitask and get some of this laundry done. Y'all, I got clothes from the week before, vacation clothes, and this week. It's like, oh my gosh, I hate when I have so much laundry to do at one time. It be a struggle. Now this is where I'm about to get a little overwhelmed because Lord, y'all, look at this darn closet.
whenever you let me hit it. Sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave. Brown sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nauseous wine, but I think I'm here to solo. All my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hit me. Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Let's eat. Y'all, I was trying to multitask and almost burnt up my chicken. So I figure let me try to put a load in, then eat. By the time I finish eating, that load will be done. So I won't be all night trying to do laundry. I'll be telling friends, we should not be spending so much money and going out all the time. But he'd be like, we're just gonna get something to eat. Because I was like, ooh, I want some Chipotle. He was like, go get us some. I'm like, just, I actually have some leftovers in the refrigerator. A piece of fish, my normal fish, sweet potatoes and rice and veggies that my daughter did not eat. So I could have eaten that if I had known it was in there. I didn't even check before I started cooking this chicken, but I had a taste for the chicken, so it's okay. I'll eat that later on. But yeah, I wanted to pick the camera up and, you know, say hey to my peeps. And hopefully you are enjoying the vlog. And we are trying to, you know, get a little better with this content thing. Make sure you are subscribed if you have not done so already. And make sure you hit that like button, share the videos, leave comments, so my channel can, you know, be pushed out into the algorithm as it should be. But I will pick you guys back up in just a little bit, okay? Bye. Hey, my elites. So it is going to be a wrap for today. I know it wasn't super aesthetic-y and glamorous of a day, but you know, hey, real life, we still got to do our chores and get things done. So I'm gonna go ahead, finish editing, because I am definitely behind on my editing, and try to get these vlogs together. I have probably about 5 or so stacked up that are due to be released within the next 2 weeks, and I will see you all in the next one.